welcome to a new video. My name is Carlos and this is my channel para Conocer. Today we are in a place that is very special and very interesting here in Romania. This is the Salina Turda, very close to the city of Cluj-Napoca, and it says that it's the biggest salt mine in Europe. So I'm gonna show you the mine and talk a little bit about the history of this place. So we're gonna come down and meet together. Let's go and join me.
The mine is located in the city of Turda, in the county of Cluj-Napoca. It says that the exploitation of the mine starts in the times when the Romans conquered Dacia in the year of 106 AC. But the first data of the work in the mine is from the year of 1075. Since that year until 1932, the mine was explored without interruptions and the salt was one of the most important products of Transylvania region. After the mine were closed, it was reopened in 1992 to convert it in a touristic place, and by 2010 was officially inaugurated as the touristic center of Salina Turda.
When you get to the bottom of the mine, you will find this kind of amusement park. We can find a wheel where you can go up. Also, you can play pool, ping pong, Minigolf, and other activities that you can enjoy. But you have to keep in mind that every activity have an extra payment. So I will leave you here all the prices so you will know about it, and you can have a very nice day here on the bottom of the mine of Salina Turda. Here down the mine you can find this salty lake, and you can rent for 30 leis a boat, so you can do a little travel in the lake with another two people and enjoy for 20 minutes for the lake and going about inside of a mine. The cost of entry is 50 lei Monday to Friday and 60 lei Saturday and Sunday for adults, and for children less than 7 years and students the cost is 30 lei Monday to Sunday. To Salina Turda, there is these two mountains, that is Terezia, and you can come here freely, and also if you like the adventures and the adrenaline, you can go into a tireless that have the price of 50 lei, and also you can eat here that have different options of food. When you get to the bottom of the hill, starts this path in between the two mountains, and you can walk across on it, and it's not so difficult to walk through it. But you have to be careful because sometimes the path comes kind of dangerous because of the rocks, but you can be marvelous of the river that cross in the middle of the mountains and this beautiful hut in the mountain. after this great day visiting the Salina Turda, the Terezia, I finished this video with the amazing views and these amazing places here in Romania. So if you see, Romania have a lot of things to offer, and I hope that you can visit soon. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Please follow me in my social media, and let's see you soon in a new video to meet a new destination. Bye bye.